Vista V2 Stroller, Greyson Charcoal, Melange Carbon Saddle Leather. Hi, welcome my friend. This Toddler Seat Canopy includes zip-out fabric that extends for additional sun protection and mesh panels that make it easy to peek in while adding airflow. Full-size reversible toddler seat. Our included toddler seat is designed to meet the growing size and curiosity of your child, allowing them to ride forward or parent-facing. Improved shock-absorbing front and rear suspension, adjustable canopy with a zip-up, UFP 50 plus sunshade. For more sun protection, no rethread harness can be tightened or loosened. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.